क्या हाल है दोस्तों? टुडे आई एम इन द फूडी कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया, दिल वालों की, खिलाने वालों की और खाने वालों की दिल्ली. I am in Gurgaon and today I am going to be enjoying an authentic Kashmiri feast at Matamal, the Kashmiri restaurant.
Arjun Chamut as Matamal, Yinimonis as Dalsaras. क्या छुआना है?
Peki, चलो करिए.
Yeah.
मेरे सामने ऑथेंटिक कश्मीरी फीस्ट है. मुझे एक्चुअली पूछना है कि हम तीनों की थाली अलग है, तो उसके पीछे स्टोरी है.
करेक्ट. आपने अपनी देखी नहीं है. Your plate is called trami.
Trami.
Yeah.
So what is the difference between all three thalis?
Okay, this is a Kashmiri Pandit non-veg thali. All different types of cuts of mutton,
Mutton. Okay.
without onion, without garlic,
Wow.
and without tomatoes also.
Okay.
Now, this is a common dish. It's called kabarga.
Kabarga.
In Pandit,
Uh-huh.
and in your case, it's called tabak mas. Same
Tabak
dish,
mas.
same style of cooking.
सिर्फ नाम अलग है,
Naam
पर
alag
सेम
ho
है.
gaya. Then you have rogan josh. It's not spicy at all, though it looks.
But it looks,
red,
yeah.
And here, the meat must not fall from the bone. Then you have.
I want to add
mas.
one thing here.
Yes.
This red color is because of Kashmiri red chili
The
powder.
famous
Yes.
Kashmiri chili powder.
Chili
Yes.
powder.
This is munj achar. Munj is kohlrabi.
This is the only pickle every Kashmiri looks after.
सर, सो मेरे प्लेट में क्या क्या?
क्या है? बहुत कुछ है.
बहुत कुछ है.
You have vegetarian, which is
ये है the paneer.
tomato paneer,
टमाटर सामान.
salmon, and then you have piece of kebab.
This
Yes,
is the
this is
rista.
the rista.
The red
Exactly.
gravy is rista.
Meatball.
Meatball,
जैसे.
hand pounded. Everything is done in the restaurant only.
Correct.
And
Where
then
we use shallots, different flavor
smaller,
is there.
yes.
Or two types of mutton rolls, one
Yes.
is rista and one is gushtaba.
This is the gushtaba.
yes,
और ये है
mirchi korma.
korma.
मिर्ची korma.
Marzuangan korma. Marzuangan is mirchi. Very
Mirchi.
hot. Very hot.
So my thali is vegetarian thali. This is haq,
Haq.
paneer rogan josh.
Okay.
Then there is damalu, which is king of
Absolutely.
dishes,
Dum.
and which is Kashmiri Pandit dish. Mooli chutney, which is common to all the thalis.
Correct,
You
correct.
have it on the side.
Yes.
And then there comes rajma, which is everybody's favorite.
Correct.
But Kashmiris cook it in different way.
कैसे?
Without
हाँ.
onion, garlic, and no tomatoes. So this is yakni, nadur yakni. Lotus stem.
Lotus stem.
Kashmiris cannot live without lotus
Absolutely.
stem. This
Perfect,
goes with everything.
perfect.
Every dish.
जैसे हमारे लिए आलू होता है.
ऐसे ही ये
Lotus
हमारे लिए
stem.
नदुर होता है या
नदुर होता
लोटस स्टेम आप कहे
Correct.
हर किसी चीज के साथ हम
Wow.
डालते हैं.
Nice.
Now haq, which is common.
Haq
to
is common, like you
and
said.
haq is seasonal. It is basically available in winter months only.
अब हम जान चुके हैं कि कौन सी थाली क्या है, उसमें क्या क्या है. एंड नाउ
टूट पड़े. You can start with kebab.
दिस इज द वॉलनट चटनी. यूजुअली वॉलनट चटनी मैंने सुनी नहीं है, बट दिस
This is- you
seems
just
very
taste it.
Special
exciting.
to Kashmir.
Okay, that's my first bite.
I follow you.
Wow, this is so well cooked. You know, the chutney adds a nice, cool, chilling flavor. There's a little bit of spice in the kebab. क्या शुरुआत है. मैं अगला क्या ट्राई करूँ?
You did the right thing.
Yeah, this
Kebab,
one.
yes.
Okay, I'm gonna try this now. This is so good. It is fried. It's not. It has a perfect level of spice. उसका texture, as you can see, so well cooked, and this, as you can see, the fried goodness.
This was already like things were connecting. At the same time, I wanted people to know about Pandit cuisine,
Yeah.
which was not sold anywhere.
Like मैंने सिर्फ थोड़ा ही खाया है, but I'm already loving this. And now I think मैं ये try करूँगा the meatball, the rishta,
Yeah.
which is the hand pounded meatball. Okay, I'm going to go for this. This is beautifully cooked. Like it's juicy. It has all the flavors there. And who would have thought? I actually thought मैं शायद garlic miss करूँगा, उसमें onion miss करूँगा. बिल्कुल नहीं. This is so much flavor as is with all the whole masalas, the color. मुझे आपका वो राजमा ट्राई करना है.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
Which you told me that I should definitely try.
And if I was in Kashmir, I would say Myoni Marunchu Beira Sahim. But मेरी कसम है थोड़ा सा और ले लो. Now
अच्छा.
can you repeat this? Myoni Marunchu.
Myori Marunchu.
Wow.
Right?
Perfect. You're almost there.
Almost there. Very different. And again, not missing the onion, the tomato at all. Is this the
Yeah.
tikki masala?
Yeah, this is our famous
Wow.
tikki masala.
Can I
and
see it?
You won't believe, Arjun. Kashmiris को तो पता ही था. It's all
Wow.
look at the mishran of all the good spices.
All the good spices.
Yeah.
Goshtaba.
King of this comes at the end, I think.
This
yeah?
is the end.
This is called king of
See, each
dishes.
one, this Goshtaba comes in the four trami of
huh,
four.
yeah.
It's a bigger one,
Correct.
bigger in size. And the
Correct.
head of the trami,
Oh wow.
we'll cut it into 4 pieces and then give it half a quarter of
Okay.
each to each one.
But I'm lucky ये सिर्फ मेरे लिए है. So I'm going to try this now. So different from the rishta. The yogurt gravy adds a nice rich flavor. So it's a nice rich dish. So what is the story behind the name Matamal?
You know what Matamal means?
Yes, आपने बताया नानी
I
का
just
घर.
told you,
Correct.
it's a very special space for every child, to go to Matamal and enjoy, come back and tell stories about Matamal. Even today, a 4-year-old kid or 60, 70-year-old kid will remember his Matamal. It is for both common for Muslims as well as Hindus. There are so many things, so many words we use differently, but Matamal is one word which both use with so much affection.
Correct. ओके तो हमारा खाना हो चुका है एंड आई एम स्टिल हियर फॉर इवनिंग टी एंड वी हैविंग द केवा सो शैल वी हैव और केवा
Yep. Cheers.
ओके cheers
Cheers to Matamal.
The
cheers
other,
to Matamal
other name of kahwa is Mughal chai.
and it has everything saffron almonds cinnamon all the flavors are coming to it.
That's right.
So
yes.
refreshing
So
nice
now-
warm cup and you're good to go and then
Yes.
now we have these lovely breads.
These are basically 4 o'clock breads. This is one of the breads which is called shirmal.
Shirma.
One is shirmal and another is shrumal.
Shuman.
So this is very famous from Pampur region of Kashmir.
Okay.
This is a rare art which we've been able to do it and people just love it. This is sweet
Okay.
and you generally have it covered. Look at this is like biscuit. Just for I want to show you all. This like biscuit.
Oh wow.
This is called
like the-
Madur Khataiya. Meethi Khataiya. So then this is
You know, but I have to tell you, this is
Yeah.
really nice. Okay, so this is the
Try,
khatai.
this is sweet. This is
Yeah.
very nice.
sweeter and crunchier. Yeah?
This color on top is so beautiful. Like everything is like caramelized, and there's this
Yes.
coconut,
And, then, yeah,
and again the
dry fruits
khaskhas
added.
seeds. I think you can just have it as is
Yeah, that's
with
that's
a
the
nice
idea.
cup of keva.
Perfect, yeah.
This is perfect. Okay, so ये था मेरा authentic Kashmiri feast, and I had an absolutely amazing time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you, thank you.
You know what to do. जाके subscribe कीजिए, share कीजिए to all our pages, which is the Times Now Foodie, and I will see you in another video really soon. See you guys.
Thank you.